Connecting your AirPods Pro 3 to an Android or Samsung Galaxy phone might seem a bit unusual at first, since AirPods are designed primarily for Apple devices. You won't get the automatic pop up or seamless pairing animation like on an iPhone, which can make the process feel less straightforward. Still, the good thing is that AirPods work perfectly fine with Android through standard Bluetooth, so you can enjoy music, calls, and basic controls without any issue. The setup just requires a few manual steps, and once it's done, your AirPods will reconnect automatically whenever Bluetooth is on. It's a simple one-time process that lets you use your AirPods across different devices without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Open the AirPods Pro 3 case with the earbuds inside. Step 2. Press and hold the setup button until the light flashes white. Step 3. On your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone, go to Settings then Bluetooth. Step 4. Turn Bluetooth on and wait for available devices to appear. Step 5. Tap on your AirPods Pro 3 from the device list. Step 6. Confirm the connection and start using them for audio.